cannot make laws that move, only laws that restrain. That limit and define, this is his most honest testimony. Inability is his essence, not power. Der will Zermacht is a delusion, a compensation for fragility. In its most vulgar understandings, it leads to the illusion of man as his own destiny, his own Moira and parcel. And yet vulgar stoicism concerns itself more with clenching cheeks than with unclenching teeth in the face of reality.
Movement is not in our power, but something that happens by God's mercy, as the Christians say. And this eternally scalds the militant, fixated on la puissance, on the illusion of absolute control.
Any lucid man knows no being in this unique reality, which some love and others hate. With all the soul they deny themselves, can endure more than what the laws of nature mysteriously allow.
To deceive yourself that systematization brings power, or that breaking conceptual systems brings freedom, is proof of a weakness of character, not of some hidden strength. And this weakness springs from the same empty source as laziness or perpetuated sorrow, qui ex eodem veci fantoriuntur. So we remain before the silent face of the law that encompasses us, and understand that true power lies not in imposing, but in aligning with the great movement, with the will that is not your will, but the will of all nature. And this is not resignation, but the wisdom of those who know that the only way to truly live is to surrender to the movement without giving up the struggle, without hiding in systems, and without losing yourself in delusions.